In the roofing and construction industry, it's not uncommon to use spreadsheets and whiteboards to keep track of all your bids, leads, and jobs. However, this outdated tactic is only going to get you so far. In order to consistently grow as a company, you need to invest in the right roofing software and apps that give you all the tools you need to stay organized, streamline your sales process, boost productivity, and overall save you time. Here are the top 5 types of roofing software and apps we highly recommend investing in. Number 1 is roofing and estimating software and apps. When it comes to providing roofing estimates, a closed deal relies heavily on accuracy and efficiency. Without the proper technology, providing an estimate can be extremely difficult, tedious, and not always precise. One small mistake can lead to a lengthy, drawn-out process, increasing your risk of losing a job to another roofing company. There are several different roofing and estimating platforms you can use to automate customer information and job site details, eliminating the need to enter data by hand, while reducing your risk of making a mistake. Consider an estimating solution such as Stack or Estimating Edge to help automate your estimating process, allowing you to save time and win more jobs. Number 2 is roofing photo apps. We all know photos play a huge role in the roofing sales process. Photos are critical for understanding the issue, documentation, and keeping your team and the owner or property manager informed. If you're a roofer, I'm sure you're used to taking hundreds of photos a day during site visits. Roofing apps simplify this process by helping you manage, annotate, take notes, organize, and share photos with your team. Consider a roofing app such as Company Cam, which allows you to stay organized by tagging your photos by job site, communicate effectively internally, and monitor a job site in real time with their live streaming feature. Number 3 is accounting software. Accounting plays a huge part in the roofing and construction industry as it's needed for tracking not only income and expenses, but budgeting for jobs, monitoring equipment, payroll management, and more. Leveraging an accounting software helps simplify these processes while increasing efficiency, helping you stay organized and increasing profitability. Trying to keep track of invoices or filing taxes can be extremely tedious and difficult if you aren't using software that tracks these details for you. Foundation software, Intuit QuickBooks, Viewpoint Vista, and Sage 300 CRE are all great options for construction and roofing companies shopping for an accounting software. Number 4 is project management software. Whether you work for a residential or commercial roofing company, we all know that there are many steps to completing a project. From pre-construction to production to closeout, there are multiple tasks that need to be completed through each phase, and being able to properly manage and keep track of the status is crucial for a successful project. Using a project management tool specific to construction is key for keeping organized and executing a flawless project. Going off of memory and sticky notes is almost guaranteed to cause a project to fail. It is so important for roofers to invest in a project management tool that allows you to set dates and alerts for upcoming tasks, easily communicate with clients and your team, and track important analytics. Followup CRM offers a project management tool that has all these key features and more to ensure all projects are executed flawlessly, increasing your chances at repeat business and referrals. And number 5 is a CRM. If you're a roofing company still using spreadsheets and whiteboards to manage your sales process, it's time to upgrade ASAP. Whiteboards and spreadsheets are a super outdated, messy way to try and run a business. Invest in a cloud-based CRM that's specific to construction. While Salesforce and Pipedrive are both great software, generic CRMs just don't make sense for the roofing and construction bidding process. Find yourself a CRM that speaks your language and follows the day-to-day routine of your business. An all-inclusive sales and bid tracking CRM like Followup gives you all the tools you need to grow a business. You can easily keep track of all your leads with their contact information and notes, while setting dates for every single sales behavior, which is completely customizable. This ensures you'll never forget to follow up with the lead again. Forgotten leads means less potential for new customers and revenue growth. If you invest in a software that tracks all your communication, customer, and lead information, while alerting you when sales activities are due, you're guaranteed to grow your business. In fact, on average, Followup CRM users see a 25% plus increase in their closing ratio, 30% plus increase in revenue growth, and save 10 plus hours a week. And we all know time is money. To learn more about the #1 CRM for roofing companies, Followup CRM, request a live demo today.